Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out. 69 Chevy Camaro Yenko clone car. Freshly done with a 454 with less than 1,500 miles on it and a TH400 transmission. It's got a 9-inch rear end, front disc brakes, set up really nice. It's got 17-inch Riddlers on the front and 18s on the back. Let's check this baby out. Red and ready. Great iconic stance. Just shows super well. Paint's in real good shape. Real straight lines. Fresh tires. A street beast. Really has a good shine to it. All right, let's get up and personal on this baby. Front bumper, good shape. Grill, lights, all working. Wipers are working. Turn signals are working. Lines up really good. Maybe a little off here, but that's it. But not bad. Let me get off and I'll show you. Front glass is good. Wipers are working. The chrome around there is good. Roof line is too. Sport chrome mirrors. Front fender's in good shape. I don't see any flaws in it. Front discs with your Riddler wheel. Tires are in real good shape. Fresh. Your door defender lines up well. All the way down. Quarter to door lines up well. Your glass is in good shape on the driver's side. Rear quarter, good shape. I don't see any flaws. No chips that I could pick out. Rear chrome bumper's in good shape. All your lights are intact. Trunk lines up the way it should. Rear window's got a few tiny little surface scratches, but it's in good shape. Passenger quarter's good. Lines up well with the door. Lines up good on the bottom. Front door defender lines up well. It's got a chrome mirror. No flaws in the paint that I could find. Let me get down, I'll show you. Got a great stance. I'll get on the other side and show you as well. Nice. Check out this back seat's in good shape, as well as the rear deck. Heater delete and radio delete. Sun visors are intact. Interior's in really good shape. $73,703 miles on the odometer. Your dash pad is great. Aftermarket gauges working. Check out the trunk. All your weather stripping in the car is in real good shape. Real clean inside here. You're putting your gas in here. Trunk's nice and solid. Batteries in the rear. Let's fire this beast up. All right. Real clean inside here. Couple little chips here, I see. All your belts and hoses are in good shape. Nice running car, built for speed, drives out strong, steers good, good suspension, brakes well. It's got a lot of pull. So if you're looking to get some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to my website with 10% down up to 84 months and get yourself online at mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the form and get yourself rolling. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Up to 84 months with good rates as well. If you need quotes on shipping, we ship enclosed or open anywhere in the United States, bonded and insured. Please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. We have over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. Please go to our website where we have descriptions, pricing, photos, and video on our cars. If you have any questions, you could reach me. Just give me a call. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 till 2 p.m. by appointment only. You have any questions or anything, you can reach me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. Hope you enjoyed the video. You'll be seeing more of me soon. Thanks.